Hello, in this presentation, I want to explain you how to speed up macros. Using an example sheet, starting from my previous presentation file catalog, that contains over 100k row records. Only filtering such big amount of data will take some time on a medium, low computer configuration, as you can observe. About half a minute, to display all the variants. Next, I will run two macros, one written in the usual way, the other with speed improvement. After a while. After about 12 minutes of calculating and processing, all the filtered rows were deleted, and the filter reset. In all this time, there were no any other programs running in background. After closing without saving the file. At reopen the file, as a parenthesis the XLSB file is half dimension of XLSM or XLSX file. As you can see, I will run the fastest macro. Again, I filter the same amount of positions as before, and run the other macro. Now, from the moment I push button and launch the macro, till end of it, takes 5 seconds. Now, I will show you both macro codes. The first one is the slow one, the other includes the first, between statements. The selected code, with blue, is copied and inserted in position, in the second macro, as you can observe. So, first the current state of settings is saved, next turn off Excel functionality to improve performance, then the first macro code is running, after that, the settings are restored to original status. In this text file, is the essential code, which you will need for speed up the macros. After saving the current state, there are turned off some functionality to improve performance. Each instruction line is explained what does. These 4 instructions will gain a lot of time in macro execution, by not updating the display and status bar, disable events, and set calculations to manual. Next, you can insert your code in indicated position. After that, the original settings will be restored and the macro can end. The page break state is a little tricky, it can be adapted to workbook, but if in your code you have to set a page format to a sheet, this can generate some issues. Same situation for speeding filter reset. Hope you will find useful this presentation and will speed up, also your personal macros. Till next presentation, I wish you all the best.